All right. Aha Masem TVGH. We are back again. We the any penny kese pa na ebe twetwe nkomo. Baby a yedru no ye bebo no tofa ewo ye interviews ahodo aye na fi na ye bebo no tofa. Ye ne leadership penini baako awo NDC caucus. Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim our first deputy whip. Emma Yembra Shibijum any and any between Como. And Koma ye between very, very important. Or Barbe discussing corruption in the budget, in the government. Few reports unya access to know or Barbe discussing Eddie actually. Into at this moment, baby will be no me pese oboa na utisim se sia gidi. Sa video we very important abusuafo say o share video we na o ka kire unuan so say ono so share say ye ne onimonyamfo Ahmed Ibrahim MP for Banda constituency ono ene deputy whip of Ghana's parliament NDC caucus ono be discussing corruption in this government and niema bebre hono mo a onte da oba bebie so me say aha NS wutie aha ne ebe ma credible information share video no ka kire unuan so say ono nso en share video no na yintimi reach as many as we can na aha no mo de ye be ma say dia etie any sedia ewom pepepepepe nti America so gidi share video no na yemfa enkomotwetwe no entwazo zesia se honorable ye ready a me a friend say chame ewodwumadi a ye bedi no ma won se watwe nkrata edi agunani mpa kire se ensem wo ensem ankasa ewo ho enne a wodi ba begu from but se wan join ni entema enya de a obekasa ache obo nsem ni nyina tofa ama ye de akwa akogu enti se unya join ni ya Ajia Fatima Nana Isa mechia United Kingdom fua ma join ni Adumate mechia mo Razak mo mechia mu nyina enipa menene betwetwe nkomo a member of parliament for the people of Banda fo nyina so ye chia mu Sulemana Yaya sase ena ofiri ose ono nso wagige dem ewo tema ohwe odendende honorable say good evening NS say ohwe from time unique Akesko ohwe from time constituency good evening Alima to Sadia Osmanu Nuruddin Italy for ehwe honorable nipa bebre na ehwe osabri entino say honorable why crowd mami intwa wontum na twetwe enkomo kakra ewo Masem page yi so very important discussion any ebe na ha honorable memo akwa ba edeba Masem page yi so
edo so many ata
honorable enyumrei mahwefo ehwewo yenya opportunities no easy see ebenya yenya opportunities see no twetwe enkomo adefofro bi wo budget yi mo ana se bibi sonko obi a yenhwe anim na se die na ekoso a Ghana nyina taxes ye de abese yenkon a bibia nkoso ye ewokrom hanom Lebanon fo nyina so omohwo
yo Charles Mamenfa wafidie so Masem TV enchia etifo na ehwefo mo hwe Masem TV ene enumre no kwasen ni ene mi kasai me wura ho bebre
ade honorable
ne ntia me kan ne sa ne se ye ka Ghana mpanyimfo a me ka ho bi na ye suban no ya akoye se efidie ni chi nipa na ne sonko eyi no nso a ne sonko me ka we efa kwan a ye man panyina ote akonwa so aniguase a ɔde agu Ghana man ɛne efin a ɔde aka Ghana akonwa no Charles obi bɛka sɛ deɛ na make yɛn ɛna yɛti ɔman mu a ɔka kyerɛ sɛ yɛti sika so nanso kom deɛ saa time no na afidie akye no nti na ɔwɔ opposition nti mmɔdemmɔ na austerity measures a na NDC aban edi baa sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ Ghana be free brɛ no mo na ɛkyitaafo ne ɛkyerɛma no aba abɛ kɔ ahotom after 2016 no aban no asan a erode all those gains yasan akɔ back to square ground zero.
How?
Obeka said dear na Ahmed Mekan. Charles Emra na President Akufo-Addo oye candidate Akufo-Addo. O ka se yeti sika so nanso kom de no na Ghana ye nsa nyanka oil. O si ye wo gold, ye wo bauxite, ye wo cocoa, ye wo manganese, ye wo diamond, ye wo salt, ye wo water. Ye were all these mineral resources, mention it, Ghana ye will be. And reference to Ghana ye will be. And na yasan benya oil. Nandi entia make us a mirror who say, me a youth. Se usha kwanya Ghana penny for 80 youth no dachi. Ebo to prena. Uye leader weninyi. One. Yemfa they say akwa say ye cocoa ni diamond ni gold ni bibia sika ni yemfa no nyehwe ye debt levels no are increasing from 120 billion Ghana cedis to 291 billion
and no cry some say almost the 7 BSc
291 billion no mo atimi anya kuduro aka akere ye ndiye ye other state owned organizations no balance sheet mo de ene de omkromo fankan na aban a onwa eye naniwo se ka oman ni de obema timamfo amuka yedi eye ade papa ko di besi
conference
int aban na nkasa hu se waya ade bia enye nti onwa ni records no e wo se odisi na o papa dika na osi o ma hu ka odi da obe free ho no ebekwa akwa ss wo Bible mu a 2 Kings chapter 4 odi for na owu ya na kafo eba be fa ne ma ene ne yere no sa records ni legacy no bi ena na Akufo-Addo opese odija Ghana man
seriously
Charles Aren from 120 billion ka yedi from Nkrumah time up to Nkrumah Afrifa Buzia Achampon Akufo-Addo Onwane Papa Liman Rollis Kufuor Atamils Mama we ni munyina wo ka munyina presence we nyina bomu a na ka Ghana de 120 billion from 1957 to 2016 na Ghana ye public debt ka Ghana de se Ghana ntimi antua amanonifo beba befa oman no ajapade no 120 billion within 4 years Nana Akufo-Addo nko aka odi abeka ho amaka na ko 291 billion Ghana cedis ene official ono ankasa agiatum ndi odi asie die eno ne ho na Charles na youth no ye nda ache won fa eno so to nchen o se waboka na wie no yen ajapade a eye gold ni bauxite ni diamond a ehya asase na se no eno nso ode ekosia wowa agisika na mre no bedru a ewo se yetua ka no
no ni ho ajapade anka ese yeton kotua ka no nso waton entina ese menne wo yenda ache besi yense se yetime twitwa gi ehun kura na ye mma no daachi pa kwese no mo daachi ebesi omse this is the critical moment there on mine no yewo
Aban no so ba omusi o yetiye the economy is booming. Na Charles economy no booming a se esi uyi a ubobozia.
Esi uyi a wonye bosia.
Wahu omama odini ho na wasore afa eze mango bobosia na mindidi. Onso ose mu kase ase uyi. But udwini ho a onti ase fa no so to nchen. Yen oil na eno ntina na akufo ado fa kwan bia se oba be diga na so no. Kwan ya odi yen oil sika no afa so no. Charles me ka kire wa obeso.
Honorable den na odi oil na aye.
Ghana oil no 2017 Public Interest and Accountability Committee omo report ni. 2018 send na Public Interest and Accountability kwan na do di Ghana oil sika fa so eno so ni report ni. Na di ba yo 2019 kwan ya odi fa so ni report ni. Se ufa ukom na uhwe se de kwan a odi sika na fa so cha so beso. Na eye me ya se Ghana akrachifo ni professors ni timamfo no afei no mu kata. Na kwan ya na adu di oman no fa so no se wu kata na wa fro se bedibi na ka wa no tum. Charles, when was the last time I would see Professor Stephen Ade asorpenye Professor Stephen Ade uti ninka?
Why asorpenye?
Scripture Union
SU
Ope a Christopher mu wo oman mu pa a Christopher nyina ye hwahwa mu Otabel ene Stephen Ade no Professor Stephen Ade no ene Joyce Aye no ene ye the Christian spiritual leaders we were all looking up to. GRA, what in the air course?
Unless you tell me, leader.
Professor Stephen Ade. Oh, where you corrupt, say officially, Ghana's most corrupt president,
oh yeah, that one no be
official records, Transparency International, Assisudia. And so Professor Stephen Ade will move. Wakana Mwatum. Into Ujinwa. As a Professor Stephen Ade, no we are critical of Mohammed's government. Na Dubai who say Professor Stephen Ade be critical on his government. And our friends Bedibi
naka wano tum.
Ono ko ye wakana no atum. It is obia no oka. Last week, say utie Professor Stephen Ade mensa.
Metie de kakrebi.
What ye Professor Jima Body?
Metie no.
Abano onyere ye. Jima Body say government no records the reputation in fighting corruption is in tatters.
That one is true.
Professor Stephen Ade say the alarm and the rate at which corruption is born is unimaginable. Let's say Omano Yadachi one. Uko corruption perception index here. Transparency International say the most corrupt president in Ghana is Nana Akufo-Addo. The record is official. The best in fighting corruption is President Mahama.
Yeah, on record.
On record.
Yeah, Transparency International.
Official. Amanoni for Ejiatum. Professors na wo Ghana hanon so Ejiatum say Nana Akufo-Addo pensi corruption against him. Machraw yen oil sika 2017 Nana Dubai oil sika owia ya wantimi amohu konta eye 252 million Ghana cedis.
252 million Ghana cedis. 2018
near wantimi amohu konta eye 400 million Ghana cedis.
There's all come over 600 and about 70 million.
2019, they want me amohun kunta 827.
Hey,
into ukabomwa Ghana cedis na meka yo. Enya tete no new Ghana cedis. Yen oye sika ayira ewo Nana Addo penso eye 1.4 billion new Ghana cedis.
Kanina and Kaya 14 trillion.
Trillions. Na me cancer. On one case, I jet on the budget no more. What that I will budget from say, Sikano or na or Yusuna own Yusu.
Nani abosana okwajine.
Na Sikani dawa, then now by no say 300 million stabilization fund no. This a ye ma of fight COVID. 251 no ODE, NOC ODE, and Professor Stephen Mantio. And no buy no car says Sikano, on Trebebio, want me a moon contan your DA into a say 2017 or see the report me or see Parliament SPC budget or be budget for now spending. 2018, you want me a moon contan so 400 would the car we 652. And that was his second time in government. And a Professor Public Interest and Accountability Martin, Dr. Stephen Mantio, and also Bisan and oh yes, or see you that want on to me train your DIA into no catch him say now. Na Parliament passing budget ya. Charles, Minister for Deputy Minister for Finance Baha, Parliament ye Bisano, or say that man has been swept.
I swept
Sikano a Francism.
1 billion plus no.
Sata na 652 or say a Francism.
Ayira
onim ni odi aye. Abna o say asare. O say onim ontimi ncha say the way and say the way nembom omudi to consolidated fund. Na consolidated fund e am na donko bia bibia akoma na ayira. Then 2019 827 million Ghana cedis would come on 1.4 billion.
Omuntimi mu hon konta.
They can't. Na there yani say uko omo budget mu a. Omo budget ni o. Uko budget no ma Charles. Ono ankasa atro agye atum say saa sika no 1.4 billion no e wo ho no use ye.
Ah, na ena ofa chire kwaje bosia wo ba bi foforo.
Na wo sika da ho na use ya. Eya den ema ukobo bosia say mi kobo bosia ba be ya ade. Ade no so wo bi da ho. Nti me fa report no budget no. Ena me kan ya na me kan say no. Aban no oni Ghana for endi ni yi.
Maybe say or you're proud of you and you marry or her or German South. Unsama wakana ebi say omo ye sad.
Oni Ghana for endi ni yi. But Charles any unutilized balances from 2017 to 2019. Ghana budget no page 35. Obia 2021 budget new.
2021. Leader or live on
page 35. Or say 2017 unutilized amount 400 million Ghana cedis. 2018 unutilized amount 251 million Ghana cedis. 2019 unutilized amount 827 million Ghana cedis. Ukabomwa 1.479 billion oya mania na Akufo-Addo from 2017 to 2019 one thing ya mo hunkunta enti okatre public interest for say edaho
na leader mami so asembi
but chance enye sir well let me come to the PIAC report we ye na Adu na account say on say MPs no ye wo PIAC report no PIAC anka say e unutilize or say e unaccounted
and o masasa brofo
and o masasa brofo no say e unutilized who can PIAC report now PIAC yes unutilized annual budget funding amount TO or see as indicated earlier in this chapter the unutilized annual budget funding amount at the beginning of 2019 financial year was 652 million Ghana cedis. Were accumulated because also on use here. The actual ABA for 2019 was 395 billion. That's 2 billion Ghana cedis. This brought the total annual budget funding amount in 2019 to 2.7 billion. Out of this total amount, 1.2 billion, representing 46% of the total receipt, was utilized. ndi omu timi bo ho kunta say ye di we aye we di we aye we 1.2 leaving a balance of 1.479 into budget there na do ko 2 year no every PIAC report public interest and accountability 1. As at the end of 2019 this means that the unspent annual budget funding amount of 1.47 billion is yet to be accounted for. So they are yet to account for that money. But the Ministry of Finance, it is worth noting that for 3 consecutive years, annual budget funding has neither been fully utilized nor accounted for 3 years. For 3 consecutive years. Oh yes, I can know. 2017, 2018, and 2019. That 3 years now. The hard part is either say Sikano, Ombeka so moon you see and answer Omunti Mohun Kunta. The unspent ABA for 2017 was 440 million. 2017. 2018 was 252 million. And 2019 was 827 million. See, this raises the issue of compliance with the respective Appropriation Act. It also brings to the fore the matter of transparency and accountability, which could pose corruption risk. Public interest and accountability na ekano. Nandie me Kenya say or see the trend of unutilized and unaccounted annual budget is at variance with Section 21 Clause 1 of the Petroleum Revenue Management Act, which states that the annual budget funding amount is part of the national budget and is used as expenditure subject of the same budgetary process that is necessary to ensure efficient allocation, responsible use, and effective monitoring of expenditure. Charles, 2017 there no abano kachre say o twa maya year 2018 budget na we use. Yeah. Ye bisa an say sika we won, or see it has been swept. Enti okanwa na wakanwa but me me yan say sa akokora no Dr. Stevie Mentio in fact say petrini ni pa wo Ghana ha watimi akun abo Ghana japade ho man Dr. Stevie Mentio so was osunsa 2017 sunsa 2018 sunsa 2019 e dey akọ retirement ni pa fofraba onu so ba onu ne pension dia na adu na chusu onu Dr. Stevie Mentio no mama na chusu no na na do onu ani ni pa na o chusu no for public interest no onu ni pension bi yatas ye koya na ye bai oya sikani o abai ni see apart from 291 billion debt no or sign ko akwakope 5 billion euro bond
I will control motions kakra
tase eya minim kwan krat echirema befa so apiaka we oye sika o yakoton yaji aban wo sikani koyusu na 1.4 billion cannot be accounted for by President Nana Akufo-Addo and Ken Ofori-Atta. On my sika no the one ye use no chance obi to a NNPP before was go eye krono skani bena odi yensika Ken Ofori-Atta data bank for ya na go Bank of Ghana omwana omugu commercial bank omwana omugu Ministry of Finance for financial issues there they are not responsible for anything to anybody. Nyaminye alataniu. That is why the state Ministry of Finance is without a minister. This is a majority that take it. Was Nanado to the Pafufro Ekowa, he will unravel everything. And the Ken Ofori-Atta at the Hiche Mukrana. and the minister no better home pan this Obama ye beti no mane kokova Nana Addo. Is that the way to go? Enti Ghana ajapade no eye abusua bi dia. So that I say ye nyina wo MPP ye nyina wo MPP. And I pity for the MPP. Empire na Nana Addo any Ninkrofon air building no. Let nobody come from anywhere say Omunya think is that they are doing the same party. It's not like that. Akoto say Owen.
Oma inefrim.
Professor Jamba for Owen.
Oma inefrim.
Bajaja for Owen.
Oma inefrim.
Apola Foko Owen.
Oma inefrim.
The worst of it all, Alan Tramantin. Charles. And then me tia, me sheda, Nana Addo bae. The minister be no oko Ashanti region oko ye campaign say ope president sitting minister Kade Betino.
Kombe ine.
Nana Addo ene she Akoto Afriye echi to succeed him. You know what?
I don't know.
Akoto ye nifa ye achen ena nifa eya Asante. Are you not aware?
Me aware.
He seen on Nana Addo's main friend.
Na down for power.
Koko na eye andam per PNDC law 81. Na Ghana Cocoa Board eshe Alan Tramantin Minister of Trade ase.
Oma Jeffrey honum.
Nana Addo baye odi mraba parliament say oyi Cocoa Board na kwose Akoto Afriye Minister of Food and Agriculture ase. So from 2017 to date Akoto Afriye na hwe cocoa Ghana Cocoa Board wa oyi free ala ho e de kwose Akoto Afriye. Tell me if say why ye Adiana free trade minister because Alan Tramantin ne wo ho a obey flag bearer. Why ye free Cocoa Board that free no ho e dey akose Akoto Afriye ase. Tell me if you were not grooming Akoto Afriye for presidency. Then Akoto Afriye kwa Ashanti regional ga say obegna presidency and you think it's a joke? Alan nyina yi. Yeah, shine Cocoa Board free wakunya nase no. You didn't see it as anything. They were preparing Akoto Afriye against you. Among all the cabinet ministers who can go and stand somewhere say Obegna as presidency.
Abra ya vetting in Robosumi mienu.
Ka de beche no.
Kebe you ready.
But Akoto aka hwianye no. Cocoa Board shenase, planting and food and job. Agri ministry no and the biggest your Cocoa Board and the backbone of the economy. And this are now say ya yi Cocoa Board because Akoto Afriye ne wa agri ya yi Cocoa Board akomano since 2017 to date or signed twice 8 years as Minister for Agri with Cocoa Board.
Next one boy scam.
No see about I just say you see normal people Nana Addo game be na all plan you. ABC or percent Akoto be say ba omia vote.
Alan vote.
Obviously, BC Baumia, BC Alan. Nana Addo is behind Akoto because the childhood friend no. And the crew no. And an for no. And all the economic variables in Afrosenet. Ma Jogati wankase obegi now. And then beti kura onyana wedi. Jogati Kofi Oseame yaw. Owen.
Ya pamuno.
Adenimo. Owen.
Ya mano onya president obi.
I'm telling you. But obi dia ya mano or san twaso ye bibia kwhye na se. Wasan yinani first of imagine. And nobody could
touch him.
You dare not. Inti yemfa no nto nche. Na Charles udi yen oye sika efa kwan we so. Mo na mo se mo wo sika o. Na sika ni so awie sika. Unaccounted oil cash
1.4 billion.
1.479 billion Ghana cedis. Oil sika ayira no. Na ndi ayira 2020 de anu nyamba yo.
Wait 3 years.
3 years pepe no. De na kete nya wenti and am kete ye president ade am be akonwa. These are the critical issues.
Serious ones.
Charles, beyond this NDC try konwa no 2009. Yesika revenue ayenya 2009 ni nyina o na 6.8 billion.
6.8, okay.
2010, 8 billion. 2011, 10 billion. 2012, 16 billion. 2013, 20 billion. 2014, 24 billion. 2015, 32 billion. 2016, 33 billion. Ukraine Nabum for 8 years. Sika NDC nyae. For 8 years, Atamils to Mahama. Neye 153.1 billion.
153.1 billion.
Total revenue.
For 8 years.
8 years. Total revenue. Sika 2 years. Sika 8 years. Nina. 153 billion. Enumu ene dissolve single span. Enumu ene diye Rich Hospital. Enumu ene diye Kumasi Afare. Enumu ene diye Nsoko Hospital. Enumu Wa Hospital. Enumu Sewa. Enumu all the polyclinics and all the district hospitals do what they 153. Enumu ene that water expansion from 54% to 76%. We are. Out of this, Wa Airport, Ho Airport, Kumasi Airport, Terminal 3, DN,
Ho University,
Tsunami University, when you move, Chase, when for the 8 years, but see what Nanadu had in 4 years. 2017 oji 41 billion. 2018 46 billion. 2019 54 billion. 2020 67 billion.
Together I saying
Charles is almost 200 billion.
4 years, almost 200 billion.
Years.
Sikawa revenue nya 4 years ni ten NDC
nam so a banking sector no collapse here atmam for enhel because uji to utasi nipa no ujiji we nipa no na ujiji sika no so in the sika ni nyina be di aban ho na industry e collapse na no abai o say companies e collapse here wo mulusu job amulusu 41,000 na me. But you are coming to tax industry again. And net VAT 1%, health insurance 1%, COVID-19, there 5%, banking sector 5%, COVID-19 levy, then Charles, MPP phone kwana nipa yare koda hospital yes and taxim. COVID-19 yare. Na yare achi timamufo abambia ema stimulus packages no. So won't be master stimulus package ya taxi. You will see the impact of this 2021 budget on industry. A lot of companies will collapse. Nipa be besan kwa kotrefi.
Ebium.
Budget na ukotona de ye nto kakra na wanya na ye taxi o. Enye dwe training ebehye. That is where we are going to go. Enti ye kan no nyese aban no na ye time no. Nembom na e was ojai sa VAT increment banking sector increment there banking sector no one kasa o see what collapse about 9 indigenous banks. Kakra na aka no o see ukotase omu. Are you not going to collapse them?
Energy sector
levy no, to be fair to him, 3 joint committee 75 MPs went on nationwide. They proposed that Bola tax, the sanitation tax, and that was in 2019. So it was an input to fight against a FINA ECO, and that is why Uko Kumasia, your waste treatment plant, Accra waste treatment plant, Tema waste. Every regional capital must have a waste treatment plant. And no, NSA proposal no buy. So I will not hold him for that. But that alone would have been enough, because sanitation and I kutia COVID-19. Ye pra treat ye waste in sanitation. So that one I agree with him. But to say industry another 1% VAT, another 1% this, another 5%
tax,
you end up collapsing the private sector. Musuna moye capitalist party. Should a capitalist be taxing industry and not giving the stimulus package? in the midst of COVID. Austerity measures in the midst of COVID. So, just say, in summary,
our education sector, I expect to be papa be. Now, all the waba baby.
So long as education sector is concerned, the foundation is rotten. And I believe that it will be inappropriate for me to touch on it now. Baby, me person me call said there be a tifo ebe family message no eye squan ye fa so eyusu Ghana sika pasa. I want this message to go. And I want government to come and account for page 35 of Onwani budget, you know. Oh yes, na ayira. Where their piaki use ye unaccounted for. Where their budget na ban use unutilized. Now say over 1.4 billion Ghana cedis, which is about close to 14 trillion unutilized. Why are we going to borrow or taxing the people? That's why I cannot grow. And just 600 million stimulus package no demand. So you have 3 times of that money.
I want 3 times of that money.
Why don't you give it to industry, but rather you are going to tax industry? And you abandon things. So going forward, you will see that this parliament will demand oversight from him. These are the things the 7th parliament gloss over. They have to be proper oversight. When the issues are, this current parliament is coming to demand proper oversight. What mean can say unutilized na ya jawo, baby as can will follow up. Charles, you fancy ya? Ghana dear, nyamine he.
Arabo, another why too emotional, but see anam debesi. Asem no eya. Abja for Madam Asibibre. Many Odmonyam for Ahmed Ibrahim. And a chicken and cover. And that day na long. Nyamishra say also o join here. Na o share video no. On share I'll be to me a share. Ghana oil money no. Baby ananado edia kuduno. 1.4 trillion. Sikana ose o the year stimulus package. Edema timemufo no. Send year was says Sikana basis times 3. Ewo oil sikan me share a bind to. Public Interest Committee for Nababetin Anado to say about 14 trillion old cedis na esenana kufuado eto. Says sikani nyina chiri no na na san dane no ho ebeje to na aban a wose wo sika da ho no eye den e no ohia sika jiso okọ ayarefo no ho ene wakwa akọ tax wom. Ya wasem ebo no po. Nyamishira Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim se wama no ho kwan na wone ya twetwe nkomo ena anwumre. Abusuafo nyame ya adom a ene braba because this is the second interview. Yebe hiem Monday na ya twetwe nkomo a emu odin e wo masem. Nyame hyehyira mu nyina medamase.